Saan ba gan? Paano ba to? Share screen. Share the entire screen. Tama ba? Alright. Ayan. Morning, guys. Morning, everyone. Oh, happy Sunday, no? So, uy, nandiyan na pala si Jamie. Jamie, paano niya ba ginagawa to? You share the whole screen or you share just part of the screen? Hintay, ah. Nakakabobo to. Chrome tabs. I'll just share the full screen. All right, good morning, guys. So let's study muna no, ng HSI. Napaaga yung schedule natin today because walang ginagawa in the morning. May gagawin ako sa hapon. So inuna ko na to. But basically, I just want to... This will be a quick session today because gusto ko lang i-share today is yung what happened last week's market. Tanggalin ko muna itong mga lines. Ayun, so basically kasi last week when I was doing the review, so I didn't expect such a massive breakdown. Honestly, I expected a breakdown. From here, ito nag-breakdown to, di ba? So pangit yung candle last week, Friday. So pangit yung candle last week. So sabi ko, maybe it will test the box bottom or it will go back here. Kasi breakdown na rin siya eh. So nung nangyari instead is that nag-capitulate yung buong index. So basically, what happened here, ito, yeah, ano ba yan? Nanginginig pa ako. Sorry guys, bagong gising lang. Okay, so the index fell for 4% that day on Monday. Okay, tapos it followed through another 4% on Tuesday. Okay, so grabe sobra yung nangyari sa market. So if we look at the weekly chart, okay, let's just remove all the drawing. The market fell to as much as 9.5%. No, 9.4%. And okay, so it fell to as much as 9.4% during the during the week. Okay, so in that sense, syempre, this is the index, no? So if you look at it, sobrang lala talaga na nangyari. But at the same time, well, I'm hoping wala kayong position because grabe talaga. Okay, but syempre, pag may mga ganyan, nandyan din yung opportunities. Okay, so we were reviewing a lot of third or fourth liners. Oops, sorry, wait lang. Yeah. Last week, but during mga Monday or Tuesday, I quickly shifted my my watch list already. Kasi if you notice, during capitulations, ang unang nalalaglag is yung mga first liners. So yung mga heavy, super heavy stock. So if we go look at the screener, no? So if you look at the biggest market caps. Okay, let's look at it. Parang highest value. Hero. Ito. So makikita ninyo is ito talaga yung mga yung mga first liners ng HSI. So Tencent, Alibaba, ito ICBC, no? So Meituan, si Ping An, AIA. So these are all familiar names, no? So and these companies, if we look at the weekly chart, they fell so much. Like look at Tencent, it fell 9.8% during the week. But during the week itself, I think it fell much more. So nagkaroon ng maraming buying opportunity throughout the week as well. So if we look at si Tencent, so ganyan na ganyan siya. So during the week, the start of the week, it was 530. It went down to almost 20% by Wednesday. And naka-catch yan. Well, it wasn't as easy of a catch, no? Oops. Like ito, dito siya napulot for some reason. Let's look at it weekly and monthly. Ayan, no, monthly chart, MA50 pala. So dun siya sinalo. Okay. Ganun din. Look at Meituan. Meituan is probably, ito. So, ito yung isa sa mga magagandang pwedeng bounce play. Kasi, this stock, it went from 300 to 200. So, 30%. And if you imagine, just in February, it was trading at $450. Nangalahati pera mo. Nung kinalahati niya. Grabe. So this is the catalyst for this event, by the way, is yung nangyayari right now sa China. They are being more strict sa mga tech companies. No? So ang mga nalalaglag talaga is yung mga tech stocks. But syempre, because these are your heavyweights, it dragged everything down. The index and other stocks as a whole. So parang similar yun sa Philippines, syempre kapag nalalaglag yung mga blue chips. Chances are the other stocks will also follow. Okay, so wala masyadong green, no? If you notice, puro pula lahat ng yung stocks na yung performance last week. Ganun talaga. So excuse me. Okay, so what was I saying a while ago? So we quickly shifted gears. So parang may dinagdag ako dito, no? So ito, China Telecom to. Itong lahat ang dinagdag ko sa watchlist ko na wala last week. And that's because these are all the relatively ito lang pala yung wala. Ewan ko bakit na dyan. Like ito, Meituan, 6618 is JD Health. So lahat sila nag-bounce, okay? And if you notice the bounce itself, although tapos na kasi, it was a 30% bounce. Okay? So kahit dito ka nakabili, you're still up 20%. Okay. And this is a momentum play. So ang nangyari talaga is you just catch the first green. Ano ba to? What was the play? The play was to catch the first green. End of day. Yun lang ginawa ko. Green candle. we didn't overcomplicate things, because there's no sense buying on these massive black candles if hindi mo sure kung tapos na ba yung bloodbath. Unless you're buying at a key level support. Oh yeah, well yeah, I'll share it na lang rin since all this one kasi it's uptrending. So nung nalalaglag, sabi ko I'll just catch it near the previous all-time high. So eto, yun nga. So pag bloodbath, we shouldn't really play swings, okay? Because yung swing, chances are the support itself parang binabaliwala lang rin niya. Okay, kailangan talaga yung key level support. So in this case, key level naman tong all-time high risk support. But syempre, you have to put into the context na the index fell 8%. Diba? So how can this only fall for mga I don't know 3-4%? So in this case, napa small loss tayo dito. But okay lang, nabawi naman din natin kaagad. But if you look at it, hindi rin mali yung swing entries. Kasi talaga nag-hold nag-hold yung EMA 9 mo. Aray ko. Nag-hold yung EMA 9 dito. And yun lang yung gagawin mo. You just buy the EMA 9. End of day. But you have to, well, yun nga. You have to, parang, ba? Kailangan mo kasi tiisin tong wicks na to. This is 4%. So it's quite painful din. So the next question that I was thinking kasi is like parang tapos na ba yung downtrend leg ng HSI? So personally ako hindi pa, kasi if you look at it in the longer time frame, parang hindi pa niya nahi-hit any key level supports. Okay, so saan siya nag-bounce? I'll just show you where it bounced muna. So if you look at draw the fib, the forward fib. So sumakto siya sa forward fib 61.8 and ni-retest niya sa daily. So ni-retest niya dito. So dito yung naging buy signal itong Wednesday. Sorry, pag umaga daming pleme. Ayun, so dun siya nag-bounce, tapos it quickly parang, it gave you that very quick momentum trade idea. But syempre, if you weren't able to buy, tapos dito ka namimili, well, you're already very late kasi your risk is parang 6% and your reward is what? Parang ito, kahit sabihin natin box bottom, it's only 1-2% na lang. Diba? Kasi may gap dito yun. You know, kahit mag-gap fill niya to, ano ba yan? Kahit mag-gap fill siya, it's only 3%. Ano ba to? Okay, so I hope nung Thursday na yun, parang hindi na kayo nagpa-FOMO. Dapat tama ba? Hindi na kayo ano ba tawag doon? Dapat na nagpa-FOMO na lang kayo, ibig sabihin. Grabe, lutang pa ako. Hindi ko maisip sasabihin ko. But yeah, so look, going back no. So in the longer time frame, weekly and monthly. So tapos na pala yung month natin. So right now, nag-support siya sa MA100, but at the same time, hindi natin sure kasi for the past few months, hindi naman talaga niya nire-respect yung MA100 mo, 'di ba? Parang nandyan siya, but it's not fully respecting, so it's hard to say. Ano natin to? MA200. Even longer. Maybe MA 200. Ayan, kung gusto nyo. So kung ganun, edi babalik talaga siya dito sa ano. I mean, speculation lang to guys, but like, syempre as technical traders, we're trying to look for the support where it will support. And from the looks of it, itong MA 200 is mas intact, whereas the MA 100. But let's see. Kasi syempre, like ito, nangyari rin pala to before ng 2020. No? The index fell 9%, then the following month, nag-stabilize siya konti. Diba? Parang ganyan siya. Dito siya nag-consolidate for a while. So, maybe yan din yung mangyayari. We don't know. But yeah, personally, ako, I'm still on the bearish side. Kasi if you look at it, ano ba to? Ganyan. So syempre, ito yung initial box mo. Possible, ito na yung bagong box mo. So we're moving at a fast trail pababa. Ito yung dating box mo. Natin ito. Ayan. Ito na lang. Mas maayos, mas micro. Taran. So, diba, if you notice, the boxes are moving faster and faster down. Tapos we have a bearish convergence pababa. Okay, so ang magandang mangyari talaga is bumaba pa siya. Kasi if not, parang either it consolidates or it goes down even more. Kasi if it goes up, parang it's very hard to say, but it needs to it has too much resistance din. It's better if it consolidates for a while. Consolidate muna dito or even lower. We can wait for it dito. And dito banda. Or worst case dito. Balik siya sa 21,000. No? Right, kung sakit. So yun. So what are the stocks that I'm looking for? Right now, it's hard to say, but I don't want to look at yung mga basura just yet. So, although sila rin, malakas din yung rebound nila like itong stock na to. So, HEMA9 trail pa rin until now. Hindi ko siya tinignan kasi, honestly, nakafocus na ako nung time na yun sa blue chips. Itong mga to. So, imagine mo yung mga rebounds nila. But at the same time, yung mga free fall nila, 24%. I think this particular one, it fell 30% during the day. So, flooring na sa atin sa Pilipinas. No? Nag-floor siya, tapos the next day, nag-up siya ng 20%. Yeah, so right now, ako, ang tinitingnan ko pa rin is, I'd rather play it safe. 5 to 10% yung ano ko, yung ano yung tawag doon? TP levels ko. Basta 5 to 10% I'm happy to take with. Kung makahanap ka ng magandang entry, I wouldn't hold it too long pa rin kasi given the index is still unsure where it's heading. But for me, it's still gonna go lower. Yun yung mas nakikita ko. Or consolidate for a while. At that range. Diba? So if you notice, magkakamukha lahat, index and the stock. So kung ano yung itsura na, paano ba gawin ito? Ganito. Ayan, so kung ano yung itsura ng index, halos ganun din yung itsura ng mga stock. Daily. Diba? Ganun siya dito, ganun siya dito. Ito, mas malala to eh. High D low. All-time low na ba? Hindi pa. Kaso parabolic na pababa. So maybe soon makakatch tayo. Maybe lower. So mga big companies yung tinitingnan ko at the moment. Kasi syempre, sila yung mas may upside right now. Malaki yung upside nila if it rebounds. So imagine natin if this particular stock nag-rebound. So kahit dito, 27 to 33, that's 20% at least, I think. Or almost 20%, di ba? So ganun siya. And that's just from, what if it goes higher to 36? Hindi natin masasabi. That's 30% already. So right now, yun yung mga mas tinitingnan kong stock. So talagang nandito ako nakafocus sa mga nalaglag. Okay. So nag-shift gears tayo. Hindi muna tayo tumitingin ng parabolic na paakyat. Okay. Pwede naman, hindi sa bawal. Okay, so if we look at the parabolic paakyat, mali. So ito, 'di ba? So sila rin, no? So ito si 189 nandiyan din, si 1385 nandiyan din. Sino pa ba? Itong dalawa. Ano to? 6878. Let's take a look. Walang entry. Imagine mo nalalaglag pala lahat siya, umaakyat pa rin. Tama ba to? Yeah, so let's take a look. Oh, hi Tin. Nandiyan pala si Tin. Aray ko. Yeah, see? Pare-pareho rin eh. Nung 746, we took a look at it last week. 2333, it's still here. So ito yung shinare ko just now na napa-small loss tayo. But honestly, sobrang sad nun eh. I was sharing to another friend, si Melvin. Kung I held on to it near at the all-time high, I'm up. Ano ba yun? 20% din pala. And it's still looking good if you look at it daily, weekly, monthly. So ano tayo, na whip. All-time high kasi ito eh. So syempre, start of the month, baka bigyan tayo ng chance makabili sa baba. Maybe EMA 9 ulit. But yeah, today I just want to make a quick session on what happened talaga sa market. I don't want to look at too much stocks kasi there's too much uncertainties at the moment. Okay, so imagine mo, plano tayo ng plano tapos lalo pa lang binaba. No? So etong stock, ewan ko ba nandito to. I think someone shared it to me, inad ko lang. Sige, tanggalin ko na yun. Oh, itong stock malakas, no? Ito si SMIC. It's still pretty good. So, semicon manufacturing ata to si SMIC. So nagka-trend line breakout siya dito sa $22 nung last week to eh. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So Monday nga, no? Monday ba yun? Tuesday. So yun, since then, kahit nung nag-bloodbath na yung market, parang ewan ko ano meron dito. So right now, I'm just waiting for this stock to make a new consolidation. But at the moment, syempre, wala pa siyang consolidating range eh. So maybe pag ganito or pag ganun, hindi pa natin alam. But I hope this consolidates soon para makabili ako. So I should put this in my watch list. Sobrang basic lang pala nangyari. No? Trendline breakout. Hindi ko siya kaagad napansin eh. So, too bad. Ano yung counterpart nito? Si AAC? 2018. Hindi, wala nangyari. Ayan. But yeah, right now, I just want to look at it that way. So, so nag-capitulate si market. If ever we're gonna look at anything, kailangan sa key level supports kayo tumingin. So, yan. Let's look at Alibaba. Wala din, no? Pababa pa rin. Maybe it's a good place to catch here. I'll just set an alert. Ito yung ano, itong Mate 1 yung gusto kong makatch. Kaso mas gusto ko catch siya momentum pababa. So sana dito sa levels. Dito sa mga levels na to. Kasi ito yung dating super long consolidation. Ito nung time na yun, nag-aaral pa lang ako. Kaya lahat pinabox ko. So, I think it's a good place to catch here. Itong levels na to. Itong range na yun. Aray ko, sobrang paos. Ayos. Let's take a look. Kape. Good morning, Jimmy. Ayun, yun lang. Yun lang for now, guys. Stop sharing na ako. Diyan ba si Melbs? Hi, Melbs. Ayun, yun lang, guys. So basically, have a good Sunday. Let's review again kapag mas okay na. Well, let's wait it out din kasi I don't want to give you guys too much stocks to look at. Tapos, sobrang daming uncertainties right now. All right. Good luck next week. And yeah, take it easy muna. Bye.